And there is a helicopter there. Right there. And there's one right above the American flag. What a disgrace to the flag. Our lives are based on freedom. What freedom is in that? When we have surveillance like that. I have nothing but... I was trying to get some Thai food. And look at him. He should be ashamed of himself. Rolling. And you got this guy straight right here. And they're there rolling down the highway with me like two little psychos.